What's going on, guys? I'm Brandon Schott with 1221 Wheels, and we're back today with another episode, and today's topic is AP3LX, which takes performance and look to a whole nother level. Hey guys, come with me and check out what really makes this wheel so special. So what exactly do I mean when I say we're taking performance and looks to a whole nother level? It all starts with one thing: form follows function. And as car guys, we all know that unsprung mass is a really big thing. The lighter weight your wheels are, the more performance you gain out of your car. Traditionally in the wheel industry, we all make wheels that have a flange on it in order for you to bolt two rim halves together. So we had the bright idea at 1221, let's put some lightener pockets in there. So we put lightener pockets in the center, and we put them in both rims. So we reduced the weight significantly. By adding these lightener pockets into our wheels, we actually deleted 20 bolts, which creates a nice modern and clean look. Oh my God, no, we deleted 20 bolts. Yes, everybody else in the wheel industry uses 40 bolts, but in-house, we FEA test and physically test all of our wheels to make sure that they are 100% structurally sound. So now you might be asking yourself, well, if I really want performance, why don't I just go with a monoblock wheel? Well, if you go with a monoblock wheel, you're not going to be getting as much concavity as if you go with a three-piece wheel. So we took the best of both worlds. We took the performance from a monoblock wheel and put it into a three-piece wheel. So now you have as much concavity as you can get, as well as the performance of a lightweight wheel. Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. Go subscribe to our YouTube channel, drop a like, drop a comment, go check us out on Instagram, take a visit to our website. All the links are in the description below. Peace out. Dory from Finding Nemo. Is it rolling? That's awkward.